And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if the Windows Store is not working properly on Windows 10. So this could definitely be an annoying issue, and in this tutorial we're going to go over how to hopefully address it without too much of a headache. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time. And you want to type in Windows PowerShell. Best match should come back with Windows PowerShell right above Desktop App. You want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on Yes. Now in this elevated command line window, I'm going to have a command pasted in the description of the video I want you guys to copy. And then I want you to go up to the top bar of this Windows PowerShell window, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Once you paste it in, hit Enter. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. If you see any red text along the way, don't be concerned. It might just mean that there's an active process currently running, but there's a lot of stuff going on too in the background of this. So don't be concerned if you get a little bit of red here, but just let it run and I will jump back in once more narration is necessary. Okay, so once you have a blinking cursor next to System 32, you can close out of here. Would recommend you guys restart your computer, see if that resolved the problem. Now if it didn't, I will have a Windows troubleshooting utility that's included in the description of the video as well. You guys are more than welcome to try out. So I do hope you guys find success with that. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.